Hey guys, just wanted to give you a rundown of my flowing river sound effect. Basically, we have 8 audio tracks here, all of water trickling from a faucet into the sink. Now what I did with all of these is EQ'd and time stretched them so that they all have slightly different tones. As you can see, when I solo these tracks, they all have slightly different tonality to them. Now to fill out the sound and bring all of these tracks together, on the bottom here we have white noise. Now this is EQ'd to bring down some of those bright frequencies a little bit, so you just kind of have this ambient mid-tone hiss underneath all the trickling water. Now all of these samples of the sink and the white noise had extremely bright frequencies, and I wanted to bring that all down a little bit. So I ran it through this resonant channel EQ curve. I'll turn it on and off and show you guys the difference that it makes. So you can see how that curve makes the high frequencies much more subtle. And for this one, guys, that's about it.